We have to stop him. Oh. Aha. Oh. Wow. Wow. Aha. Oh. Yeah. Oh no! I will wake him up. Pando keeps disturbing our sleep.
Eating too much before sleeping can make you snore loudly. That's not good for your health.
I got it!
Aha! Huh?